Okay, so we're gonna move on to the chorus now. We're gonna do it as we did it before. Then we're gonna play slowly with the lyrics, singing it, or you can hum it. Okay. So let's go. So go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I choose to do. So go easy on me. So if you pay attention, you will notice chords that we were playing here. It is the same chords that was in the first verse. Okay, so it's basically the same chords being repeated. So if you have any difficulties, don't forget you could always return to the video I prepared before that is teaching you to play the chords. Link at the end of this video. So just in case you have problems playing the chords, you can review it. Okay.